If you are somebody who has been exposed to mold, maybe you're dealing with chronic sinus issues, and you're doing the best that you can to try to create a mold-safe home environment, then you've probably heard of Microbalance Health Products. Their products are very well known in the kind of mold space. So I have actually had their products for quite a while now. Some of these products were kindly gifted to me, but this is a brand that I have purchased from myself before as well. And I just wanted to, in this video, share you some of the ones that have become staples in my household, especially as I have been going through my mold toxicity healing journey. As always, opinions are always honest and my own. My goal is truly just to help you learn about the products, to hopefully help you figure out if they might be right for you. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a variety of their products, let you know what they are, what they do. So this is just my personal experience. Always talk with your practitioner if you're dealing with mold illness or chronic sinus issues. So anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So first I want to give you a little introduction to Microbalance Health so you can learn a bit about them. Microbalance Health Products were founded by Dr. Donald Dennis, who is an ENT surgeon that specializes in treating chronic sinusitis and mold-related illness. Through his clinical work, he found that mold exposure and fungal colonization in the sinuses was a huge root cause of chronic sinus problems. So then he developed a system that focuses on two major things: one, reducing mold exposure in your environment, and two, supporting the body and sinuses when mold exposure happens. So I am going to be also talking about two main product categories in here. The products are generally divided into two categories. You have your environmental mold control products for your home, and then they also have the body support products for sinuses and immune health. I do have some products from both of those categories. So we're going to start off with the environmental / cleaning products first. So first is the EC3 air purification candle. I have almost completely used this up. This is one of Microbalance's most popular products, and it's designed to help reduce airborne mold spores in indoor air. The candle contains a blend of natural citrus seed botanicals embedded in soy wax. When the candle burns, the heat aerosolizes those botanicals into the air. These botanicals are antifungal and antimicrobial, and they help deactivate airborne mold spores and other particles. So why this is mold sensitive friendly? One thing that I really like about this, of course, is that it does not contain any added fragrance, which is especially important if you are somebody who is dealing with mold toxicity and you're trying to heal. Also, I think that's just really important for anybody who is going through mold illness or if you have chemical sensitivities. It literally is just to help to reduce mold spores in the air. It's designed to be used regularly in order to reduce the amount of mold spores in the home and basically just maintain lower mold counts in the air. Personally, I like to use this when I feel like the air needs refreshing, or maybe if my symptoms feel like they're kind of flared, then I use this to just try to make sure that the air quality is good. I do also run air purifiers in my house pretty much 24/7, but this in addition, I feel like it's really great. Next is the mold solution spray. I feel like this is also definitely one of their most popular products. This is the EC3 mold spray. I use this all the time. I'm almost finished with this, and I just really like this. It gives me a lot of peace of mind. So I got mold toxicity from our washer in a rental, and there was mold in the washer, in the seal of, you know, like the front loading washers, and I feel so ignorant now, but I didn't know what it was at the time, and it just got worse and worse, but it was definitely there from the time that we moved into the rental, and I just didn't realize what it was. I didn't think it was mold. I thought it was just like buildup of some type, I don't know, and I tried cleaning it, but obviously it didn't do anything. So basically I was breathing in the mold from the washer for probably about a year, and then I got sick, and then we realized that it was mold. So I do feel ignorant, but a lot of people don't really know what to look for when it comes to mold, and they don't know exactly how dangerous mold can actually be and how much it can affect your health. But we have now since replaced the washer. Our landlord was very kind and just replaced it for us. So the exposure is gone, but healing has been awful. Like, I've been sick for almost 2 years now, which is crazy, and I'm still not better. I have Mark-Ons, which is a sinus infection caused by mold. I've done some videos about that, but I love this product because I feel like it helps give me a lot of peace of mind with the washer. So every single time that we do a load of laundry, of course we make sure to keep the door open, but I always just spray the seal with this and let it sit just to help make sure there's no chance that any mold is gonna build up. But basically this is a botanical spray designed to treat indoor environments that may have mold or mycotoxins. It uses natural citrus seed extracts that have antifungal and antimicrobial properties. This can be used on a variety of different things. You could use it on furniture, fabric, mattresses. You can use it on the seal of your washer. You could use it on car interiors, air vents, clothing, luggage after travel, so pretty much anything. But you simply just mist surfaces with this and allow them to air dry. And the goal is basically just to reduce mold spores and contamination on everyday items, so you're not constantly getting re-exposed. I'd say this is one of my favorite products from Microbalance Health Products, just because this is one that I have used so much. It's great. I feel like I just have like this much left. And yeah, it's just, this is an awesome product if you're scared about re-exposure. Just helps make sure you're not continuing to be exposed and keeping things nice and clean. So then the next product that I absolutely love, and this has also been a really important product for helping me with peace of mind as I am trying to heal from mold toxicity, it is their EC3 laundry additive. I'm almost completely out of this as well, but I use this every single time I wash my clothes because mold spores can cling onto clothes, and then you would just be continuing to get re-exposed to mold spores, and that can keep you sick. So washing with this every single time I wash my clothes has been really important. I know there's a lot of information online where in the mold community where people say, oh, you have to throw out everything that you have to get a whole new wardrobe. I can't afford to do that, and I feel like that's not realistic for most people. In that case, this is a product that is really helpful to make sure that your clothes can get thoroughly cleaned. So what this is a laundry additive specifically designed to remove mold spores and mycotoxins from clothing and fabrics. Like I mentioned, one big issue with mold exposure is that spores can stick to clothing, bedding, and towels. So how this works, you just add it to your rinse cycle or directly to the wash to help remove mold spores and musty odors from fabrics. So you can use this on clothes, towels, bedding, clothes that were worn in moldy environments, and just for washing machine maintenance. Yeah, it helps just give me some peace of mind. I don't think I'll ever be without this again, even once I heal, because I am just always going to be paranoid now. So yeah, this is going to be a staple that I will probably have forever now, because mold toxicity has truly, I'd say, kind of ruined my life in a way for almost 2 years now. I'm gonna be scared now. I'm very paranoid of getting sick again, which I'm still sick now. But yeah, both of these products actually I would say are probably gonna be staples in our household probably forever now. So then I wanted to talk about a product that I just saw that they recently launched, which I am very much interested in trying. It is their EC3 head to toe cleanser. Basically, it's a gentle cleanser that you can use it for your hair, your face, and your body. So I really like the idea of using it as it's like a body wash. So I'm very interested in it, but basically the idea is to wash away environmental mold spores and contaminants from your skin and hair. I very much want to try this product. I'm probably gonna go out and purchase it soon. As I have been working to heal from mold toxicity, honestly, I feel like I've been willing to try almost anything within reason. So this type of product just sounds really interesting to me, and I feel like it could just be another helpful thing that I could have in my daily routine to reduce my exposure to mold. Even though the source should be gone, I just want to do everything that I can to heal. The whole purpose of the head to toe cleanser is to, you know, wash away environmental mold, spores, and contaminants that could be on your skin and your hair. And honestly, I did not even think about that. Spores can cling to your skin and your hair, especially after being outdoors or in moldy environments. So if you have mold in your home, the spores, you know, they're getting on things around your house, but they could be also getting on to your skin and your hair, which honestly, I didn't even think about, which I knew I was kind of, you know, gets up into your sinuses, but I didn't really think about the spores getting on my skin and my hair. I honestly just feel like using any like shampoo or body wash can help with getting that off, but I like the idea of a dedicated cleanser that can be used for that. That's specifically to help get mold spores off of your skin and hair. So that just sounds like a really cool product to me, so I want to try it. Let's get into the body and sinus support products. This is the Sea Tree Drops Dietary Supplement, and this is a liquid supplement made from citrus seed extracts. And these extracts have traditionally been used to support the immune system and help the body fight fungal, bacterial, and viral pathogens. So how you can use it, you can actually add this to water and drink it like that, or you can even use it in a nasal rinse, and they actually explain how to use this for a nasal rinse on their website, so definitely check that out if you're interested in using it as a nasal rinse. I personally have not tried it as a nasal rinse just because I've been doing other things for my sinuses, like different nasal sprays, but I have been using this as a dietary supplement, so I've been putting it in water and taking it that way. And so it helps to give immune support during exposure, and I feel like even just in your healing process, even if you are not currently being exposed, it's going to help with your healing. Many people dealing with mold illness use it because mold exposure often goes along with fungal and microbial imbalances. Next is the Sea Tree Drops nasal spray. So I have actually gone through a whole one of this. I actually tried this for several months before I ended up getting bag spray. I have Mark-Ons. Again, it's an antibiotic resistant sinus infection caused by mold exposure. And while I do think this is a great place to start, and if you're dealing with mold exposure in general, this is an amazing place to start. But for me personally, even after using this for months, unfortunately, it wasn't enough to get rid of the sinus symptoms that I've been having. I am now on a compound prescription nasal spray to treat the Mark-Ons, and it actually has antibiotics in it, just because I wasn't getting results otherwise. But this is a really good place to start, and not everybody that gets mold toxicity has Mark-Ons. So if you just have been exposed to mold, maybe you're not having as intense sinus symptoms. For me, I've just been having constant ear pressure, and it just has been terrible for almost a year and a half, and nothing has helped, and I'm still not even getting results from the bag spray yet. So it's just been a really difficult process. But anyway, if you're just dealing with mold toxicity and you don't have Mark-Ons, then this is a great thing to try out to make sure that you're getting your sinuses clear and clean. This is a homeopathic nasal spray designed to help soothe inflamed nasal passages and support sinus health. It can help with sinus congestion, inflammation, mold allergies, and environmental irritants. So it helps to clear fungal and bacterial irritants from the nasal passages and reduce swelling. Many chronic sinus infections are believed to involve fungal components, so supporting the nasal passages is really important. So yeah, when I got my Mark-Ons test done, I tested positive for the Mark-Ons, which is the bacteria that comes from the mold exposure, but then I also tested positive for fungal colonization, so it's just been a double whammy, and it's just been so difficult. Then the last product that I want to mention is their Sinus Defense 2.0. This is a homeopathic immune support spray taken under the tongue. It contains molecules that help to train the immune system to recognize mold and other pathogens more effectively. The idea is to help the immune system react faster to mold exposure without creating excessive inflammation. Overall, these products have been really helpful in my journey, and I just think that if you're struggling with mold exposure and you're sick from mold, then these are really great products that are absolutely worth checking out in my opinion. In summary, these products are going to help with reducing exposure and then also of course supporting the body. I think that both of those things are very important when you are trying to heal from mold exposure. Using these products is going to help you with your overall goal when you are healing from mold exposure. The goal is to lower the mold burden in your environment while also supporting your sinuses and your immune system. So if you are interested in checking out any of these products, I will have them all listed and linked in the description box below so you can easily find them. If you are on your mold healing journey and you want to see even more of my journey, I do have a mold toxicity healing journey playlist, so definitely check that out if you just want to learn more about my journey and the things that I've been doing to heal. And if you are struggling with mold toxicity and you have found things that have helped you, I would love to know what they are. Definitely share them in the comments. I love to be able to just help each other out. If you are struggling, we can all learn from each other and hopefully help each other out, especially if you have dealt with Mark-Ons. I would love to know what you have done, if you have found anything that have helped you, especially if you've dealt with ear pressure. But anyway, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you had to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.